All right, traders, watch this video for, what day are we at here? Wednesday, April 10th. Showing you the SPY here. Now, I left after the first couple hours, so I really wasn't around very much, but I can tell, even just by this, that it was another narrow range, low volume day. Let's look at 5-minute candles. Gap down, took out, sold off, took out the highs, then came back down, took out the highs again, then goes out and closes at the lows. Extremely choppy. Same market we've been in. There's not much follow through on anything. Before I go any farther, though, let me slide this over because it's not very often that I show you something that you've got to see. This is on Twitter at RealCandiceO. Go check this out. Scroll down a little bit, and then go to this one she retweeted the Daily Caller, and this basically 6-minute and 40-something second video was her opening statement. And I think every American every American should see this. It is. You really need to click it and watch it. It's almost like they just sit around and think, "Hey, we heard this black woman said something praising Hitler. Let's bring her in and make her look like a fool." And this is just how stupid they are. None of them actually go and look and see who they're dealing with, right? So they call her in before Congress to talk about white nationalism and hate speech, and they think like she's perpetuating the problem. And she absolutely sodomizes the Democrats. The look on their faces is frickin' priceless. But everyone in America should watch this video. It is just the best thing maybe I've ever seen. I'm so proud of her. She's amazing. Gotta watch it. All right, so let's go into Wednesday's watch list. All right, so the SPY, again, talked about the narrow range. I have a very small list today. ATAI just ripped today, closing well off its highs, but I noticed after I got home, it's trading at 284 in after hours, so maybe it had a second wave of good news or whatever, but it's a thin stock that just ripped. So as a day trader, I've got to watch that one. CMRX, another really strong move, closing near its highs. See if we catch a setup in that one. VTL had a huge 2-day move and then kind of a quiet inside day today. Let me zoom in a little bit. That I think could still catch a bid if it maybe breaks out of it, like an opening range breakout after the first hour or something. Absolutely going to be all over that one. NBEV, put this on bounce watch. So you had the big day, massive volume 2 days ago, and then today a quiet inside day, much lower volume but still big volume. This could be a third day play where it heads right back up. So I'm going to watch that one. IOVA, really strong 3-day move. 2 days now down on lower volume. Maybe ready to turn back up tomorrow. AYTU, still coiling after it hit $2 here on pretty good volume for this stock 5 sessions ago. Still coiling right below that. I love this through 2 based on the chart. But again, in this market, is there enough volume to create follow-through? That remains to be seen. There's not a lot of follow-through right now. I still think we're just in a very slow period and things will pick back up. And then YRIV after this big 2-day move, kind of flagging here and starting to try to curl back up today. So I want to watch that one. Very short list. Not a lot to watch. Hopefully we'll catch some morning gappers and some good setups tomorrow. But, again, in this market, take it easy, take it slow, trade smaller, take profits quicker, and wait till volume comes back in the market because, you can't trade well if you don't have as much money as you do right now because you're whittling away at your capital trading that, getting burned on this low volume environment. So for me, capital preservation is everything right now. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see y'all in chat tomorrow.